Hello, so as you may have known, we have developed a collision system for our game engine. However, the effect of the impact is still very unrealistic since they just bounce straight apart from each other. But in reality, depending on the point of impact, the object may experience some rotation. So today we're gonna do exactly that. Let's go over the idea behind this a little bit. You see, we have this square here, and if we apply a force here at this red dot called the application point, then we can translate the V, the blue vector here, to the F here, which is the green one, and then the magnitude of the torque is equal to arm multiplied by F, and that's how the object will rotate. And when you do the same thing with all the three axes of X, Y, and Z, you get the object rotating along all the three axes. Okay, so with the idea clear, we shall begin doing this. So we're gonna make another add force function with a new parameter. Before this can work, however, we need a few supporting functions. One is a cast vector function, and second are a few new attributes for game object instances. This is how the new attributes are coded to affect the object instance. Okay, so moment of truth. You can see here the code works, but we don't know if it works correctly. So let's get another test. The rotation seems to happen just correctly. Yeah, as you can see, the code really works. Okay, I call this satisfactory, and thank you for watching.